I took a half, she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town, baby.
Oh Lord, I got to be outside. Let's just get into this hair, okay? Because it is it, okay? Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. I'm too excited for this wig because let me just say, I have seen some people with this wig already and I was like, oh girl, it's fire, fire. And I'm just so excited that I'm trying out this wig, and I'm going to leave the YouTuber that I saw first that I was just like, bitch, that's it, down in the description box so you can check out her video that she did on it because it was just looking so good. But today you guys are going to watch me install this unit. It was super easy, but first let me tell you where the hair is from. It is from BeautyForever Hair Company. There's going to be a playlist at the top of the other textures that I have did videos on from this company, and they're linked to their website, and the details to this unit is going to be down in the description box as well. But this is their Jerry Curly unit, their Ombre Highlighted Lace Frontal Wig, and it's 24 inches, average cap size, adjustable straps, combs, y'all know the deal. So, y'all, when I'm telling you I'm living for this wig, like, I just feel so good. Like, I need to be outside. I feel like I need to be outside. I feel like my hair needs to be seen by people. Y'all know these companies be jumping on the bandwagon with these wigs. So this is definitely a wig that y'all need to go spend your coins on. Okay, I'm just gonna say it. Go get you a wig. It may not have to be from this company, or it may let it be from this company. Just get your hands on one, okay? Do your research, figure out which one's best for you, and honey, spend your coins. The one thing that I did want to mention is that I did use the Shimmering Lights purple shampoo, and it did feel like it dried out the hair a little bit, so I do not suggest using any type of shampoo other than the first time that you're washing and clarifying the unit. Of course, wear shampoo. Okay, but after that I would stick to conditioner. Okay, so I did use the purple shampoo and I feel like it really did tone the hair. So if you're wanting it to look like this, girl, go ahead and do the purple shampoo and then go to a hydrating conditioner. So that's exactly what I did, and this is the look that is given. Ugh, man. Ooh, one more thing I wanted to mention. In the clip that you guys are probably already watching, I show you guys how I hang up my wigs. I literally use the hanger that has the two clips on there, and I don't even have a wig to show you, but you guys are seeing it in the clip. That is the way that I hang it up so that it creates volume, okay? Like, I barely had to finger comb this hair because hanging it up upside down does the job, okay? So, okay, other than that, I really don't have much to say that's negative. Everything's positive, like the construction, okay, the fit of the wig, okay. So, like, everything is really good. I don't have anything bad to say about this unit. I am going to do several videos on this wig because I am going to be testing this wig out. I'm going to be refreshing the curls for you guys. I'm going to do different styles. I'm going to put heat on it. Girl, I'm doing it all. So make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like this video, leave a comment if you want. And I'm just going to stop talking here. I'm going to let y'all continue watching this video. And yeah, I'll check y'all lovelies out in the next one. Bye.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms have fallen, angels be calling, but none of that could ever make me leave. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Oh.
I took a half, she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where do you really be at when you say you're doing all this and all that? I took a half, she took the whole thing. Slow down.